So I picked up a tick the other day on a hike with my son in the woods, and it's surprisingly durable. This thing took forever to kill. Let me show you how I did it. So here we were on a nice, lovely father-son stroll around this little body of water, and I got home, sat down, and check out what I saw. This little guy, that's a tick right there crawling up my sock, and they are just built to last. Not only are they durable, but also very hard to kind of flick off. They've got these this like Spider-Man ability to crawl, right? You can't flick them off very easily. So I'm just going to take my sock off here. Let's get a closer look at what this guy is up to. Pretty nasty business. I don't want anything to do with it. They can host a variety of very nasty diseases. So we definitely like spot checked everywhere, under behind knees, under armpits, in the hair, right afterwards, to make sure we didn't pick up any more of these. But this seemed to be our singular hitchhiker. So let me flick him onto the floor here and look at him go. Surprisingly mobile, and look at this. He just keeps getting back up again. All right, now fortunately he didn't latch onto my skin or anything. There'd be a whole new video on how to remove that guy if he did, but we're just hitting him with the shoe. Okay, it's not exactly a flat shoe, I get it. My son's is. He's stepping on him. Look at that. These guys can just get super flat apparently, but no match for the hammer. Flat steel, baby. That did the trick.
Yeah.
And just to be sure, yep, he's done. And it didn't look like he had anything to eat or drink, so that is good news, meaning he wasn't latched onto us. Look at that. What a visual, huh? And they're kind of like very thin, almost like a snowflake after that. They just kind of obviously I smushed him, right? But like, he was thin to begin with. So let's try to pick him up here a little bit. That is a dead tick. All right, we'll stop the video there. Thanks for being with me.